Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to change logo in Magento 2. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. So first of all, go to Magento, go to content, configurations, select my theme, save the configuration, go to edit. Here we have header. So here the default logo is set. You can delete it and you can choose any of the logo that you want to add. So I'm gonna add this wristwatch logo and you can add the logo width like 100 pixels or 100, right? And save this configuration. So let's do this. Flush the cache, reload the page. This is added, right? So this is how you can change this logo. If you want to change the fav icon, so there is an option. Go to the content, configuration, edit. So here we have the HTML head. Here we have the favicon. So you can use the favicon image of this one. I'm going to upload this, save this, and cache management, flush the cache. See, favicon is coming. If I'm going to what's new, favicon is coming. So this is how you can change the logo and the favicon in Magento 2 easily. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share, and comment.